Hey guys, this is summary for 25 October and let me just start this. Yeah, so I went out very late because I was working and yeah, I went out. I didn't do any open today and I'm just healing myself. I'm just realizing my all the past thing and just like bullshit. Like if I'm not opening then I'm just fucking in my head, just like principle. But that's kind of true. And but I'm also streamlining my system. Like what is the key learning for me like from today? Like I went out like at 10:30 or something. It was super late and because like in the afternoon I went to work and it was fucking I gossiped and did some time pass and I know that it's gonna like I was just very confident that it's gonna happen in like 5 6 hours, but it took me around 9 hours and still it's not done. So it's gonna take like 11 hours or something to me to finish that up task. And just like it taught me the thing that just focus on the process and just have the clarity of intent that I'm just fucking gonna do. I'm here to do this. I'm not here to gossip or something like that. I'm not here to waste my time. And yeah, I did that and I got my lesson and I just have to improve my systems. And also I'm just getting lots of maturity about that stuff also, that having better system, having better the right word is there, goals. Setting goals are not that much important or something, but having better system, having better let's see, what was the word? There was a word. Having better processes. So make processes, don't make goals. Don't chase goals, but make systems that works and that gets you to that. I mean, I don't chase now goals, but I just fucking chase the process that am I building or not. Like, am I going out? Am I opening my 20-minute success? Yes, I did today. I mean, I did my 20-minute timer, but didn't open 6 sets. So I just need to focus on that. I need to focus on 3-second rule. Open all. Just have the crazy principle. Do the game 1 to 30, which I didn't do today. That's I broke my one of the principle over there. And things like this gonna happen, and it's just a learning phase that happens to everyone in the bad times. But it should not happen like every day or something. And that was my key for today. And also having better systems and just following it and just doing your work and then fucking then going to then doing some XYZ, then wasting your time. It helps a lot. And a clarity of intent, super important. And also, like for example, like for me opening, it's gonna take like healing myself and stuff like that. Then I'm just gonna give it. I'm not using the results, you can say. After that, I'm just making better process to just execute that, and just being better at executing processes. Once I have that done, then the goals comes automatically, and that's the I don't know, I just got this maturity or whatever. This happened to me very quickly, but it's just awareness and it's just the learning that having better processes and systems can help you to get to whatever you want. It's just basic science, guys. So I'm just gonna do that. It's gonna take like longer time, then I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna have my better processes. Like when I went out, I was just thinking about having a wing or something, and it was just a thought for like 1 minute or something. Then I just realized that okay, if I'm gonna do that, if I'm gonna have a wing or something, I'm gonna find a wing, then it's gonna waste my progress, whatever it is. Because if I'm not able to do solo, then I'm not eligible for wing. Because I'm just gonna lose the energy for him. If I'm not opening solo, then I'm just not having fun with myself. If I'm just requiring someone else, then it's just a validation thing that I require, and it's soul sucking. I mean, I just don't want it. I don't want any, like I do want results. Like that's what I do, but I get results from doing some other stuff, like going out on night games solo. And I had a crazy result like last week. Like it was amazing. Like I went to this Thursday or something. I went to nightclub, and then just fucking amazing thing happened that day. And I was solo, and it happens to me a lot. But it's just taking action on solo. That's the right thing. That's building better processes. That's the right thing. It's not me, but it's just my processes that give up on my results, you can say. And yeah, so I'm just gonna end the video now, and I'm just gonna focus on the video more. And I hope you like this video. Please do like, share and subscribe, and see you tomorrow. Bye.